Come here. You like this bike? Come. You like it? You want to rev it? You want to rev it? Do it. How do you feel?
Very much good.
Okay. I hope one day soon you'll buy it.
I want to mod this bike. I need Gen 1 and Gen 2 Gen 3.
This is a Gen 3.
Gen 3, yeah.
You'll definitely buy it. Should I leave?
Yeah, sure.
Bye. Bye.